Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to measure pipeline performance in Pipedrive. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to pipedrive.com and sign into your account. Then from here, we want to go ahead and review your pipeline. So come on over to the left and click on deals, and then find the deal that you want to review. So for example, I want to go ahead and review this deal here. But before we click into it, you want to just go ahead and look at how many deals are currently in each stage here, and then check the total value of deals in each stage as well. So this is going to give you a quick overview of how much business is currently moving through your pipeline. So we see here we've got new deals coming in, contact made, qualified, meetings completed, we got negotiators started and contract signs, etc. Then from there, you can go ahead and check your win rate. So open up Insights on the left-hand side on this tab here, and we can generate a report if you want. So this is AI. We can do a quick generate report. You can see here at the bottom left, we got deals won by revenue, and we can edit this stuff here. We can change it from this year, and we've also got your pipeline health. So we got our win rate percentage, so number of deals. So you can see here 2 new deals, 2 contact made, 1 qualified, 1 meeting completed, etc.